Hi everyone, my name is Jill Gundersen and welcome to my course Storing Data in HTML. I am a software developer trying to make the world a better place one website at a time. Interesting enough, the Web Storage API has been available for use in browsers since Internet Explorer 8. In this course, we are going to learn how to store data in the web browser using the Web Storage API. This will allow us access to the data without using cookies or a server-side database. Some of the major topics that we will cover include saving and retrieving data from web storage, deleting data from web storage, and understanding when to use web storage in your applications. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid foundation of the Web Storage API. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with HTML and CSS, plus have a working knowledge of JavaScript. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn the Web Storage API with the Storing Data in HTML course at Pluralsight.